My little bird is crying. I don't know if anybody's ever seen that. But here we are. And today is January 1st. And I don't know if you can see that, but my dog's crying because he's so sick. I've never seen a dog cry like that. And I know part of it is the nausea, but that's really tears. And you know it's breaking my heart. Somebody please tell me this dog's going to get better. I'm sitting here trying to, apparently he prefers the standing position because the sitting one, I guess the room spins too much. And his symptoms have been deteriorating since Sunday, and today's Friday. And I don't know what's going on. I did get him to eat. I had some roast beef and chicken and rice, and I put it in the food processor and spoon-fed it to him. And initially he didn't want it, but I guess the smell of the beef is too strong to ignore. And my baby puppy ate it, and I'm just wanting him to keep it down, not throw it up. And we love him very much, and we want him to get better. This poor dog has been through so much with this strange syndrome, vestibular. Never heard of it until recently. And, look at this poor dog. This is just awful. And if I let go of him, he would probably fall. Let me see. He just wants to keep turning his head around to the left. And I was hoping he would come and sit next to me. But I guess he prefers to sit up. He was gagging pretty badly, but come here, baby. I don't know if you can hear him now. He's gagging, breathing heavy. Come here, honey. Come here, honey. Come here. Come here. Come lay down, no? At the very minimum, I'm going to try to use my leg to prop him up. Because he just, for all we know, yesterday, he didn't sleep. He stood like this all night. But I just wanted to show everyone how this poor dog, look how sad, my baby puppy. We love you, and we're going to take care of you. And you fight, little one, my little one.